Hi everybody, this is Violeta Strash and I'm with John L. Scott, Kent North. I wanted to welcome you to a series of videos that I'm going to be posting on YouTube, and it's a special permission I got from a client of mine who recently bought this lovely home, and they're going to do a total main floor remodel. And it's going to be fabulous when it's all said and done. But I wanted to share this series with you because, one, if you are looking for a home and you purchase maybe an older home and you want to remodel it, here's some ideas for you to look at and contemplate on what you could do with various spaces in your home. Or if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can actually get some great ideas. At least look at these entertaining videos and get some education, and it'll be a little funny at times too, I would hope, since I'm going to be doing the videotaping. and we'll take a look and see the journey of a remodel from beginning to end. So welcome to this special series of videos from me, and I want to welcome you into the home. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, here we are, looking at the interior of this home, looking into the existing living room and dining room area. See these floors? These floors are all going to go away. The carpeting is going to go away. And we'll turn to the left and look down the short hallway with the the front entry closet, garage door, walking into this pretty large kitchen area with an island in the middle. And purposely, I'm not gonna show you the view from the home. But anyway, here was where the refrigerator sat, and the counter cabinets, lower and upper, they're solid oak. I think the window is going to go away. And pretty good amount of storage here. And this was an eating space right here on the other side of the island, with a door leading to the deck that is that spans the entire width of the home, north and south. And then this little area with the double ovens, a prep sink, and maybe they had this as a bar area. But you see there are soffits, a lot of recessed lighting in this room with a ceiling fan. Now we're going to go through this entry. This leads into the existing dining room with a half wall, looking at that entry closet again from this angle. And you'll see this wall, this area right here. The two walls of the dining room are going to go away. So you'll see a big open space here pretty soon. That's going to be part of phase 1 demo. Here is the living room. Then that hooks onto the dining room. One big wall. Once all the walls are gone behind me, you'll see one interior wall. The fireplace is kind of cool, kind of retro brick, lighting up above, and it's a wood burning fireplace right now with the alcove for storing your wood, and a little shelving area that is open to the hallway. And you see the edge of the stairwell right there. So we'll come around and take a look at this stairwell. But the entry door, front door with a skylight right above it. Not going to take you downstairs, but here's a stairwell. And you see how expansive this brick fireplace wall is. A lot of brick. The hallway to the bedrooms. See the ceiling fan right above the stairwell, so it keeps the heat from rising and keeping it somewhat contained down below into the basement. Fully finished basement. Sorry. This is a linen closet right now, and the intention is to make that into a laundry facility closet. Let's take a look real quick. Yeah. Older shelves and linens. Here is the entrance to a bathroom that serves a purpose of being the bathroom for the guest room next door, which the door is closed right now, and for your guests, so powder room, bathroom. We're going into the bathroom. Through the bathroom, it's kind of, like I said, serves a dual purpose to go into this guest room. Toilet and shower tub combination. Doorway leading into the guest room, or second bedroom, I should say, because there is a third bedroom with its own bathroom downstairs. Closet, and look at this kind of cool feature. Very retro. This is a 1978 built home, and window seats. This is looking out into the front yard. Barely a front yard, but a driveway and all that out there. A second set of closets and a built-in desk area. Love the green carpeting, don't you? But here we go, going out, back out into the hallway and across. Remember I said this is a linen closet, soon to be laundry closet, in the stairwell, looking down the hall towards the kitchen. All the floors will be ripped up, replaced, and especially the lovely green carpets. Now we're entering into the master bedroom area. This door leads out onto the balcony that I had explained spans from side to side. And here's the bedroom. And then you walk into the bathroom space. Again, the doorway leading into the master suite with this set of closets, and then a double set of closets. And on the wall behind the closet, again, is the master bedroom. Here is the vanity, single sink, and then, oh, these are kind of cool. On both sides, there are these little side lights. This one. And the toilet shower area for the master. Know what you've seen? Let's go back out this way. Okay, so here's the entire main floor, and the whole thing will be redone, as you'll see. Even this half wall leading down to the basement will change. Carpeting will be taken off the stairs. Well, there you have it. It's the whole main floor as you see it right now, and in a couple days they're going to be in here tearing down, especially this wall and that wall over there, and you'll see a wide open space, and everything will be switched out. Floors are gone, everything gone, except for the fireplace. I think they're going to decide on that at the very end. But welcome again to this remodel video, and I will post the information on Facebook. Please share it with your friends, anybody who's interested in any remodel or buying a home and getting it ready to move into. So there you go. I will see you in a couple days when we start the demo. Bye-bye.